2016, just 13 days after bridge was opened, the authorities put on a notice saying they were closing bridge due to overwhelming visitor traffic. It was designed to hold 800 people at a time and expected to be visited by 8,000 people, but it attracted more than 80,000 people per day. The bungee here is 260 meters in height, which is considered to be the highest bungee jump in the world.